参观，参观，参观。
Visit.
Visit.
他是新来的同事，你带他去周围参观一下。他是新来的同事，你带他去周围参观一下。他是新来的同事，你带他去周围参观一下。
He is a new colleague. You take him to visit the surrounding area.
He is a new colleague. You take him to visit the surrounding area.
我们一边参观故宫，一边听导游讲述故宫的历史故事。我们一边参观故宫，一边听导游讲述故宫的历史故事。我们一边参观故宫，一边听导游讲述故宫的历史故事。
While we visited the Palace Museum, we listened to the tour guide telling the historical stories of the Palace Museum.
While we visited the Palace Museum, we listened to the tour guide telling the historical stories of the Palace Museum.
参观时间是3个小时。参观时间是3个小时。参观时间是3个小时。
The visiting time is 3 hours.
The visiting time is 3 hours.
激动，激动，激动。
Excited.
Excited.
当他听说自己获得了冠军时，既激动又紧张。当他听说自己获得了冠军时，既激动又紧张。当他听说自己获得了冠军时，既激动又紧张。
When he heard that he had won the championship, he was both excited and nervous.
When he heard that he had won the championship, he was both excited and nervous.
他是第一次拿到冠军，十分激动。他是第一次拿到冠军，十分激动。他是第一次拿到冠军，十分激动。
It was his first time to win the championship, and he was very excited.
It was his first time to win the championship, and he was very excited.
他的演讲激动人心，让大家兴奋不已。他的演讲激动人心，让大家兴奋不已。他的演讲激动人心，让大家兴奋不已。
His speech was exciting and excited everyone.
His speech was exciting and excited everyone.
小伙子，小伙子，小伙子。
Young man.
Young man.
我有注意到那个来自北京的小伙子。我有注意到那个来自北京的小伙子。我有注意到那个来自北京的小伙子。
I noticed that young man from Beijing.
I noticed that young man from Beijing.
他是个热情的小伙子。他是个热情的小伙子。他是个热情的小伙子。
He is an enthusiastic young man.
He is an enthusiastic young man.
小伙子，能麻烦你帮个忙吗？小伙子，能麻烦你帮个忙吗？小伙子，能麻烦你帮个忙吗？
Young man, can I ask you a favor?
Young man, can I ask you a favor?
记者，记者，记者。
Reporter. Journalist.
Reporter. Journalist.
他爸爸是报社记者。他爸爸是报社记者。他爸爸是报社记者。
His father is a newspaper reporter.
His father is a newspaper reporter.
记者的工作非常辛苦，日夜忙碌。记者的工作非常辛苦，日夜忙碌。记者的工作非常辛苦，日夜忙碌。
Journalists work very hard in the busy day and night.
Journalists work very hard and are busy day and night.
公司下午举行记者招待会。公司下午举行记者招待会。公司下午举行记者招待会。
The company held a press conference in the afternoon.
The company held a press conference in the afternoon.
代表，代表，代表。
Representative.
Representative.
他是子公司的代表来出席总部会议。他是子公司的代表来出席总部会议。他是子公司的代表来出席总部会议。
She is the representative of the subsidiary company attending the headquarters meeting.
She is the representative of the subsidiary company attending the headquarters meeting.
白色代表纯洁。白色代表纯洁。白色代表纯洁。
White represents purity.
White represents purity.
他代表公司员工发言。他代表公司员工发言。他代表公司员工发言。
She spoke on behalf of the company's employees.
She spoke on behalf of the company's employees.
恐怕，恐怕，恐怕。
I'm afraid that. I guess.
I'm afraid that. I guess.
恐怕我明天不能参加你的生日聚会了，我必须加班。恐怕我明天不能参加你的生日聚会了，我必须加班。恐怕我明天不能参加你的生日聚会了，我必须加班。
I'm afraid I can't come to your birthday party tomorrow. I have to work overtime.
I'm afraid I can't come to your birthday party tomorrow. I have to work overtime.
考试太难了，恐怕我过不了。考试太难了，恐怕我过不了。考试太难了，恐怕我过不了。
The exam is too difficult. I'm afraid I can't pass it.
The exam is too difficult. I'm afraid I can't pass it.
别等他了，恐怕他不会来了。别等他了，恐怕他不会来了。别等他了，恐怕他不会来了。
Don't wait for him. I guess he won't come.
Don't wait for him. I guess he won't come.
谢谢观看。